Hey, Tobias here from WebinarIgnition. We have a problem in our demo and let's solve them together. You see here we have nice images with download links. All the images linked, and then we click. Oh, and then they read. So it's 93 pages. So they read for 15 minutes. And you talking, and they're not coming back to the webinar. So it's good to have 60 seconds to download. And I tried to do some other parameter, but it's not working. For example, in Opera. So we need another solution that's really saying, okay, it's not just downloading. And if it's not, if it's not visible, like with a button, then you shouldn't download it. Here you see we can do right click and see open link, and you see it's still there. You can still see anything, and it would be good to have it secured. So let's go for this and install a plugin to solve it. I tested some. This is one of the nicest. Simple and nice. It will not hide this PDF from Google and from downloading, from indexing and then downloading. That's sure, but it keeps your flow inside the webinar. So we add a new download, call it handbook PDF. You can also name it like something nobody will search for it. It's only SEO. Hide it. That's description we don't need. Here's the file. Especially, oh, that's okay. We need to download it once. Especially with PDFs, which open on a new tab and viewed directly in the browser, which is nice 99% of the times, but not in webinars. So we insert here. So this is like the direct access. It will be directly accessible. Dispatch means hide. Don't open on a new window. And here is your thumbnail. So as it is a lot of problems to arrange this and link this, it will be good. You can do file size, version, public, date, and customize the download button. So download and book. Here are the shortcodes which we are needed. Here, I just copy it. So you see there's a direct download link, but it will be through the plugin, which is very nice. Okay, publish, and yeah, let's just directly add it. Here's the webinar settings. So I got to evergreen webinar, to the demo, auto webinar actions, opened the call to action. You see here that what was before. I can just copy it, but so as it is a shortcode, we can just add it like this, and we can do it 3 times so you can see the difference. So fancy off, and we can do counter. So just for example, and then we save. Shift is the big writing letter button, and reload on the top left or wherever it is to clean the browser cache. Jump to the minute where it should occur. Oh, we lost. Oh, I'm not quick enough. Okay, stop. Wow, that's so nice. Download handbook, more responsive. That's so nice. And if you click on same page, download PDF only. Wow. The only thing it doesn't do is to update the downloads without reloading the page. So you could hide this because it's not lost a bit here. So we just disable it. because this needs to be a different technique, which is too much for this purpose. Shift reload, taking a bit longer because it's taking the whole site again. Jump in, pause, and it's counting. I think it's not good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's number 2. Okay, let's so number 2 is nice, so you can decide between this and the counter and the counter only. So this I will give you, and I take the fancy one and save, and in settings hide dispatching always, and here we do only allow logged in users to download. That's true. Yeah, make sure that here in settings you have allowed to log them in. So I would do it, and we don't capture the IP address, user agent, referral URL, don't count the bots, disable all download logs. So because like data collection is not nice, you can think it's different, but this is the easiest way. So you can change the color of the button, do something that's completely different to your webinar color, so they see it. Like the green is good, yellow is good, so this like very nice. Maybe you trying to not handbook PDF, but it couldn't be different. No, not possible. Okay, full documentation. Oh yeah, these are like, yeah. And you have fancy too. Yeah. Okay, so I learned a lot. Here is fancy 1, the 2. I like this button text because you can directly edit button text. Complete handbook 2. So these are like shift reload. This is nice. They're changing the button. I still like it. And let's see if we can visual select all, make it center. No, it doesn't. Okay, so both good. I like the bottom one most. And yeah, you don't have a link over the image, but you have this, and it's just downloading nicely. This is very, very good. Yeah, this I will keep. And if you want to do right click and copy link, oh, not possible. And if you copy the link, go to private window, not possible. So you're securing the link and it's not shareable. So the goal is that you have the people inside the webinar and grabbing your PDF and not getting and sharing it outside. Okay, I had 2 things to share. That's one. Downloads. Oh, that's the thing is I have some duplication plugin on, so I can duplicate it, but you can also create a new. So just make sure you do remove this and will be replaced. That's the picture here. So you can't see the difference, but when you open it, it's here. Yeah, so that's the button text, download, checklist. Okay, so that's this. I just grabbed the ID, which is 5903. So actually I was overwritten this one, which was not very clever. So I just write check list. Let's check what's wrong here. PDF got draft. So it was the one above which was duplicated to publish it. Not so easy. So that's number 5. Number 5 is the handbook PDF. So I do both. So you have an example, checklist PDF and handbook, which I like very much. That's good. And now we have gifts can be downloaded in 16 seconds just by clicking. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so that's good. That's helping a lot, securing it.